Hey guys, it's Qxeen.Jordyn, and today I'm going to do these 3-strand twist out. So if you want to get this result, keep on watching. First, I'm going to take what you need is a spray bottle, Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel, add a tangling brush. I use this to clump my curls, and a wide tooth comb. First, you want to spray your hair and detangle using a wide tooth comb, starting at the ends and working your way up. Once the section is thoroughly detangled, take Aunt Jackie's curling gel and distribute that throughout your hair. Next, take the wide tooth comb and make sure that the hair is thoroughly detangled. Then I take my detangling brush and I use that to clump the curls. So here I am. If you angle the brush, it'll clump the curls easier. And that's the definition from using the brush. Now you're going to take three different sections. Make sure the sections are pretty equal. If they aren't equal, then you're going to want to borrow hair strands, and that will create frizz, so you do not want to do that. On the right side of your head, you want to make sure you're always twisting the hair going away from your face, as well as the left side. So you want to grip the hair in your index and thumb in both hands, as well as on the hand farther away from your face. You want to have a section in between your pointer finger and middle finger. The hair strand closest to your face should be rotated away from your face and gripped in the middle of your middle ring until you readjust it. And the hair strand next to that, you want to make sure you bring that hair strand into your opposite hand, index and pointer. And you keep on repeating that till you get to the end of the twist. And at the end, you want to coil and then I did the same thing to the rest of my head. Spray with water, detangle, add the gel, clump the curls, and twist the hair strand. Now I'm going to show you on the left side of my head. So again, take 3 equal strands. Make sure they're the same thickness and length as close as possible. And now you're going to twist away from your face on the opposite side. Take that strand and put it in the middle of your ring and middle. Move that strand to the opposite hands, pointer and thumb, and keep rotating it. The hair strands should not be weaved together like a braid, but it should be in a twist, so make sure it's just going around each strand and not crossing one another. Then when you get to the end of it, coil the end. And I want to take this blue perm rod and place it on the end. Make sure the end is curled away from your face. And then after that, I take the green Eco Styler gel and I place it on my edges and wrap it up with a scarf. Now I'm going to take out the perm rods, and this is the next day. My hair is around 95% dry, and excuse me for chewing on the gum, my bad. Next, I'm going to clamp the other twist out of my way so I can separate the twist easier. If you twist it in the opposite direction that you twisted the hair in, then the twist will unravel itself. And then I take one of the strands and use my pointer and thumb to nudge the curls. And they separate themselves basically. If you see a strand is going to get frizzy if you undo it, then I would just leave it alone. Because on day one, you might not want a lot of frizz. But if you do, then you can continue to separate that piece of hair. But personally for me, I like to keep it. Since we use the tangling brush, the hairs are already clumped together and all you have to do is just separate them. And now I'm going to show you my defined twist out. And then now I'm going to finish shaking down my hair, separating it and fluffing it. This is the finished result. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below, any more video requests, and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.